inches.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Buddy,
Yep.
I have some extra gravel gone somewhere. Wasted. Because that sweeping shot is not covered.
Well, talk to your help.
What's that?
All they did was wheel.
You gonna take that shit from him?
No, but I don't want to take it from the other guys. Like one house I had to do, I had to put 4 big O's, layers of big O around the one side of it because of the water runoff in the spring. 4 layers going into 6-inch big O.
Oh, that must have been quite a job.
Landscaping alone is probably $100 grand. 16 acres.
100 grand.
100 grand just in landscaping. Oh, it was a mess. Run down, trees falling down, dirty woods. All cleaned up now. That's the place, electric furnace, R34 walls, 2x6 aspenite and glass clad.
You want to get back to work?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Danny B?
Yes, Salim.
Okay. We might need some gravel for the front.
So you want me to order some?
Shit, that's too bad that it's. We should have ordered.
I can order to be here in 2 hours.
No, it should be enough, Salim.
No, Danny.
I don't know.
So you're not sure about this concrete situation here?
No, I like it. I think it looks good.
No, I'm saying, are we going to be pouring concrete or not?
But here?
Yes. Are we
Yeah.
going to be pouring concrete?
Yeah, we're
So,
gonna.
in that, because I want to know how much to order. I wanna
Oh,
know how much
well,
gravel I
yeah.
need.
We're gonna continue this little sidewalk all the way through and down to where was original, connecting it to where your post and pillar is.
Yeah. All right. And for that, we're gonna need 2 meters of concrete for both sides. 2
Okay,
meters. We're
all
gonna
right.
have some extra. I'm gonna dump it in the pillar inside.
Should I get a little extra? Oh, who's that?
Yeah.
Who's that? Is that your friend going down the road there? Quentin, when am I going to get my corner fixed? Yeah. Come on, you're on camera. That's too small a piece. Should be about 10 inches past each side. Just redo it. Do it right, because I want that done perfectly. Okay, Quentin? Yep. Thanks.